Everyone, Jay here. I'm at the beach. We have the MX7. We're set to beach mode, sensitivity of 6. Let's get all the goodies. Alright, I have a tab signal. Now it's miscellaneous. Let's get it. Four and a half inches right here. Alright, shake, shake, shake. Bottle cap. Wonder what's so jumpy. What is this one? 420 strain. Don't know what that is. Into the pouch. I have a 04 signal. Let's get it. Four and a half inches right here. I'm guessing it's going to be foil. Turn it. In pinpoint mode. There we are. It's tiny. It's gold. Gold foil. Into the pouch. Oh man, 00. You know, that's my favorite. Nine and a half inches. 9 inches right there. All this for some chewing gum wrapper. Into the pouch. We have a jumpy foil signal. Dips down into the iron. Let's get it. I'm going to go ahead and guess bottle cap. Right here, 2.5 inches. Shake, shake, shake. Yep. Dos Equis. Alright, we have a 22 nickel signal. Let's get it. Oh, I think I see it. Yep. It's everyone's favorite. Pull tab. Too many pull tabs. Alright, a solid 22. We know what that's going to be. Shake, shake, shake. There it is. Alright, I'm going to get them all. I'm going to get the whole 6-pack. To that, we have a penny signal, solid 61. Oh, that's a can. It's overloading. Maybe it's not a can. Maybe it's just a big old piece of can slow. I do have it cranked up to sensitivity of 6. It's just one of those bottle caps. It's got a dog, 2 dogs on it. Okay, 2-dog bottle cap. All right, I have it's a 00. So we know it's going to be chewing gum foil. 7 inches right here. There we are. It's a small foil too. There we go. Shake, shake, shake. There it is. And yep, chewing gum foil. Into the pouch. I have a foil signal. Pull tab now. Alright. It's gotta be another bottle cap or something, right? Yep. Alright. Corona this time. Alright, I have a 10 foil signal. Where'd you go? There we are. There's a one-way. Let's get it anyway. 9 inches. 8 inches right here. Jumpy foil. There it is. The rusty bottle cap. It's been here a while. I have an iron signal. -16, -18. I do have half the iron notched out, so it's right on the fringe, I guess. Six inches, 5.5 inches right there. I hit something. Hey! I know I just saw it. I ain't going crazy. There it is. Alright, I'll add this to this year's collection of tent pegs. Into the pouch. I have a 20 nickel signal. Let's get it. Alright, 1 inch right here. Shake, shake, shake. Alright, 1 crusty nickel. Into the pouch. Cool. It's a -18 overload. And it is a AA battery. From Kodak. Oh, AAA battery. Hey, got a quarter signal. Let's get it. Alright. That's what I'm talking about. It's been a while since I had a target. Glad it's a coin. ¼ into the pouch. I have a penny signal. Where to go? There it is. Solid 67. Let's get it. Four and a half inches right there. Shake, shake, shake. All right. One more into the pouch. I have a penny signal. Let's get it. 73. Four inches right there. There it is. Hey, it's a dime. Yeah, I got a quarter, nickel, and a dime so far. Good day. Welcome to the wrap up. As you can see, I had another great day at the beach. I did clean a lot of trash. I'm totally cool with that. I did find a quarter, dime, nickel, and penny, as well as a tent peg for the collection. If you liked what you saw, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, my friends. Traffic ain't no joke.